Alright, YouTubers, day one of working on the ship here. We probably need a good name for it, but got a canopy up. Forgot to mention one thing, is that doing this whole thing off the grid for the most part, well, so far. We're out here in essentially the middle of nowhere in Punta Gorda, and I've had to get some stuff together in order to do this. So got a generator ready to go there, got an angle grinder hooked up, and we're gonna start trying to beat some of this rust off this puppy. And got some supplies, and we're gonna give it a whirl. Alrighty. Put a mask on. Everybody loves masks, right? But this trailer is probably, well, it's a 58 trailer, original to the boat, and I'm gonna guess that could be lead paint. So that's a fun little addition there. So let's see how it goes. A quick pass. You can tell the difference. Looks like the trailer used to be maybe yellow at one point. She's going to be white hopefully by the time we're done, but we're just going to keep literally grinding away. Okay, I'm using this little, I can get you the package, but Harbor Freight, I think it was $6, and the Drill Master baby. I've done more work with this $10 angle grinder than I know. But that's what we're using for this. Here it is. Oh, here. That's the package. So that took about 5 minutes. Not too bad. Doesn't have to be perfect. We're going to use some. We're going to lock in the rust. We're going to turn it to zinc. Then we're going to enamel it, or we're going to prime it. Then we're going to enamel it, and I'll show those when we get to that. But doesn't need to be perfect. I just want to get the rust off as much as I can, and then yeah, there's a lot of rust, but I figured the trailer's a good first place to start in case I do want to take it somewhere or whatever, so that it can get at least road ready. Redo a 60-year-old boat, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Just kidding, nobody ever said that. But I don't know, I mean, that probably took a half hour. A couple things I learned. This thing's pretty good with getting, knocking the, you know, you're falling off rust, but clearly I'm gonna need more than one. This thing's already wearing down, but probably need 2 more, maybe 3. The other challenge is I've been trying to maybe do this without taking the boat off the trailer, but obviously that makes it very, very difficult. And I don't know. I mean, I think I'm gonna have to, but I really don't want to. But yeah, it's working. I think once we get in here with the wire brush a little bit, some areas up in here you can't get with the angle grinder, but you know, I think it'll be good enough eventually to slap some new paint on it and make it look better for sure. So basically I grinded away the other one to nothing. It did pretty good. It's going to definitely take a couple more of those if that's what I want to use. But I also have this sanding one. I'm going to see what that does. Look at that. Just a sanding disc. Those are a dime a dozen, and it zapped that puppy right off of it. Alright. Definitely gonna take this boat off of here. That's gonna be a pain. So here's where we're at so far. coming off good, but I've now burned through that. I'm working harder rather than smarter. So we were able to get quite a bit done. Going down to this side. It's kind of hard to get up in there. Alright, so eating lunch. It's starting to rain. I think I got this canopy. Also, as I put lead paint hands in a sandwich. So that's good. What's abundantly clear to me at this point is I'm going to have to move the boat off the trailer. Why I would think I could do this without doing that is ridiculous. But it's not easy. I didn't want to do it. I'm going to have to do it. Public sub. Yeah. Yeah. We gotta figure that out. But it's gonna work. The good news is that the trailer doesn't have, it's not rusting out. Surface rust. That's good. Yeah, it's good. Just gotta figure out how to get this thing off. The boat's so light, could probably actually just put it on the ground while I do it and then winch it back up. It's an option. Putting on some tires would be an option. Finding tires, pain. I'm sure there's other cooler stuff, better stuff. But made some progress. I'm just gonna keep hammering at it. You know, obviously it'd be easier just to go buy a new trailer, it'd be easier to buy a new boat. But so often, you know, things just get thrown out, and I don't know, this is just a cool looking boat to me. To have the original trailer, title to everything, you know, 600 bucks. I mean, that's a good deal. It's gonna be a lot of work, but you know, if I don't die of lead poisoning or rust inhalation, I think it'll work out. Long road though. It's going to take some time. Really appreciate you guys. Hang with us. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff to follow along in this journey. And I think it's, maybe we'll all learn some stuff. We learned the sanding thing. Sanding dish. Probably better than the other dish. So we'll keep doing that. And keep bringing you updates. Thank you guys.